These controllers are an absolute game changer. Look at this! Yo! You know what? It feels like a $280 controller. But for 23 bucks. Alright, well, starting with the box cover. It's a very simple design. However, it's very informative. As you can see, it clarifies that it only works with certain headsets. And it only says Oculus Touch Controller Grip Covers. I'm surprised it didn't say AMVR grips instead. But further ado, let's open this up. The AMVR controller grips come with 2 touch controller grip covers, 4 elastic bands, 2 whites, 1 red, 1 blue, 4 Velcro strips. You mainly need like 2, but 2 extra just in case. 1 very neato VR lens protector cover. I didn't even know this was included, but that's cool. 1 anti-leakage nose pad, so this prevents any light to come through the headset, you know, from the bottom of the Oculus Quest. 4 spring buckles and 1 instruction manual. Alright, now I will give you a guide on how to install it onto your Quest controller. So you're gonna have to take your grip cover, you're gonna need the little clipper and the elastic band. Any, it can be the red, the blue, the whites, you can choose. I went for the red and the blue style. So now you want to actually find your size, hand size. My hand is kind of small, so I went for the very bottom. So the very bottom is small, the second to bottom is medium, the other one is large, and you leave the top for the Velcro strip. So what you do here is you pull it all the way through, and then this stapled part right here will be the stopper. Like so. Now you want to take the little clipper. This side, you put it in. And you see how this clicks? Alright, so you want to hold down the little clip thing while you are inserting. You want to hold it down, let it go, it's gonna hold it, and then you want to pull it through. Just like so. Now you want to pull it all the way until it looks flat like this. Don't worry, the long piece, we're gonna fix that later. Anyways, you want to grab your left controller now. And you see this wrist string? You want to put it through the little hole right here. The string can also act as another support just in case the AMVR grips fly off your hand. Just in case. It's rare, but just in case. So you want to push it all the way through. Make sure it's all tight. Be careful of the grip getting stuck on the cover. So you want to make sure it's all centered and nicely put in. Alright, now you want to grab your Velcro string. You're gonna only need one, and that's fine. Now there's two sides of it. You're gonna want the furry side. Remember the top part I told you was for the Velcro? Yeah. You're gonna put it through there. Like so. Make it go halfway. And yes, like I said, the fur part is facing the ceiling. And you see there's a circular part. You want to put this end inside the circular part. Pull it through. And you have like two strings coming out. Now you want to just make it tight and pull it over the Velcro strap, and it should stay in place. Do it again on the other side. As well. Alright, cool. You're almost done. So if you want to like make some room, you're gonna have to press on the clip and pull the string. Same applies on tightening it. Now you can see we have extra. All you gotta do is just cut the parts you want out. Make sure you know which one you need to cut, because this is permanent. Don't cut all the way to the tip, then that means you won't have room for maybe like bigger hands on some other person. So have some leeway. So first, you want to put the support of the wrist strap. And then you can put on the AMVR strap. Now if you want to tighten it, again you push on the pin and then you pull. Or you can just pull on the strap. It'll just automatically tighten. You don't have to always push on the button. But yeah, there you go. That's how you set it up. As you can see, the grips stay secured and they won't come out of my hand. A VR headset cover was also included in the box. To use it, just put it inside, push it down, and good to go. Alright, now finally to the pros and cons of these spectacular grips and my final review. Let's first get the obvious reasons out of the way. Throwing objects in virtual reality is now my favorite thing to experience. The sensation of letting go of your grips freely is very immersive. I mean, look at me go. I could finally throw knives in saints and sinners. I could never do that before. The second pro is the similarity to its more expensive older brother, the Valve Index controllers. The strap that keeps both controllers from flying off your hands, but the AMVR ones are just less bulky. I understand that the Valve controller supports way more features, but anything that brings immersion closer is a plus for me. More pros to these grips is not using the standard Oculus wrist straps anymore, thank God. However, if you're still unsure, you can use it for extra support when throwing stuff around like a mad lad. Fuck you. Its price shouldn't be a problem as well, coming around $23 to $25 on Amazon, being a lot cheaper than other grips on the market right now. Now, enough kissing the grip's butt, alright? The cons to it includes the hassle of battery replacement. You will need to take out the cover again in order to reach the batteries. I mean, to be honest, it's not too difficult. Then the last con is the cover, sometimes blocking the grip button on the Oculus controllers. You will need to find the perfect spot, but it's annoying having to readjust it. Now, what is my verdict on the grips, you might ask? Well, you didn't even have to ask me. You should have already known. You should have clicked on add to cart by now. What are you doing? To me, it's a must-buy accessory for the Quest, and no one ever can change my mind. Anyways, like, share, comment, and subscribe. Help me spread the message that VR is the future of entertainment. And let's help advance VR tech together. Thank you, and have a good one.